So today I will discuss how to generate a QR code for a link. That link can be a link of your website, your profile, or your YouTube link. Because today is a time of QR code. If you are going to purchase anything and you have to pay the bill, so you can find out there are multiple QR code already pasted by shop owner. So in same manner, if you want to send any link, yeah, if you want to connect a QR code with your link, so easily you can do by following some step. So here I will tell what is step. So there is no any offline step. Basically, we have to use some online services, that can be application or website. Using that, we can create QR code for any link. So just you have to type how to create QR code for a link. So when you type how to create QR code for a link in a Google, so here you can see multiple options are available. So by clicking on any link you can do. So here I have click this link. So when you click on this link, this type of a window will be appear. So here you can see which type of content we can use for generating QR code. Here you can see URL, vCard, text, email, SMS, Wi-Fi, Bitcoin, Twitter, Facebook, PDF, MP3, App Store, images, and 2D barcode. Means if you are using URL, we can generate a QR code. For vCard, we can create for text, for email. So here I am going to tell you how you can create a QR code for your YouTube video link. Okay. So here you can see I have already make a Excel sheet. In the Excel sheet we can see title, link, and QR code. So by opening any link, anybody can scan this QR code and just redirect to this particular video. So what you have to do, just you have to copy your link for which you want to create QR code. Suppose I have just copied this link and pasted here. So you can see here QR code is generated. Now you can download this QR code. If you want to change the shape and size of this particular QR code, you can change. If you want to implement your color and logo, also you can do. It's totally depend upon you how you are going to manage this. So by default I have chosen a simple one logo and shape, and now you have to just download this. uh, okay, so just wait. So here my QR code is already downloaded. So now what I have to do, just I will insert here. This is latest one. This is my QR code. Now you can make it small or as you want in your document. Here I have made this like this. Now now anybody scan this QR code, that will reflect to this particular video. That is what is UGC grading system, how to define grade according marks. So that will be reflect. Only what you have to do, anybody have to scan through the their mobile device. There should be facility of QR code scanner that will redirect to this YouTube video. So this is simple step you have to follow to generate QR code for your YouTube video or any link. So thank you for watching this. Thank you.